What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Taj, and I am back with another video. I just filmed my Motivational Monday, so this is what I have on in that video. I was just trying to get a lot of stuff out at the same time. I closed my other vlog out with this on. I did it all at the same time, so I'm not wearing the same stuff over and over. I'm just filming a lot in the same outfit. Today is just a chill day. I'm just about to go get a fill-in. My nails look disgusting. Like, my white has turned brown. As you guys know, I'm a hairstylist. Yeah, my nails look absolutely, they look nasty, if you can see that. I need to go shopping, but first things first, gotta get my nails done. So if you want to see how we spend our Monday, then just keep watching. Mom.
Sorry, your case there.
Oh, we got her smiling. You know, we don't hardly ever get K-Bug smiling. I have food in my teeth. Don't y'all come for me. I know I got food and blizzard in my teeth, but don't come for me. I cannot find my toothpicks. So yeah, got food in teeth. For what? What's the cause? I need to know, because last time I checked, ain't nobody got no money. Y'all trying to spend my money? They trying to spend my money? So I guess we're about to go to TJ Maxx and find some clothes for the kids. Try not to hit Becky in the face. I didn't mean literally hit nobody in the face. I was finna hit the woman in front of me. Yeah, I'm not violent. Y'all, I stay in the clearance section in every store possible. And look at this right here. This thing is $16 because it's leaning. I feel like I can fix that because I need me a 2-tier tray for the kitchen. I'm just saying, you can find some great, amazing things in the clearance aisle. Okay, y'all, I am back home. Today we didn't really do much, but it was pretty busy on my end because I was trying to record and finish up other videos, but it's not going to come across as much on this day. But yeah, I'm signing out for the night, but stay tuned for tomorrow.
Like that. Like that.
Finally got our refrigerator. I'm so excited. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. I love it. 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 And ignore those fingerprints. The guy just came and hooked up the water line. What's up, y'all? Today is Thursday, July 15th. I am so excited. We got our new refrigerator. Hey, and I love it. I love it. That is the refrigerator that I literally manifested in this house. Okay, I don't want to scare y'all. That is the refrigerator that I prayed for. Okay. Today is a pretty chill day again. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give me a thumbs up down below. And yes, my comments are turned off. Somebody reached out to me and was like, how you gonna say comment down below and your comments turned off? Yeah, I'm gonna keep them turned off for a while because I know it's a lot going on right now in my life. I know how our internet trolls are, so I'm gonna keep them turned off until I'm ready. Not saying I don't know how to deal with internet trolls, but I do know it's a lot going on in my life that can be judged from every angle. You know, my house not having a refrigerator, COVID-19 situation. Like, I have my vaccinations, but I don't want to hear in my comments every time I upload a video, why you ain't got on a mask? Oh my God, y'all ain't got, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, I'm about to head to work, so let go.
Oh. Yeah.
About this, I don't get no towels. I always have to get my towels.
I be at this thing. I always back there, so I be the like 1, 2, yeah. I thought you be putting them on the station. Oh, no, I just leave them there when you know. I just, yeah. Oh, well, put them. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. It sounded like I was out. I'm like, I'm telling you. I know. Well, you put towels on my station. Okay, I love it. And that's just that I love it. Okay. Lord. Oh, Lord. So She don't put towels on your station because
Like that. Like that.
Nobody, it ain't nobody out here, which is a good thing because of COVID. Yeah, it's empty out here.
Like that.
So they are closed. That's why ain't nobody here, y'all. But I'm gonna bring them back Saturday though. But we just gonna get us a funnel cake and some cotton candy, and we about to leave. Cause yeah. I guess tonight was not a total loss. We got our funnel cakes and our fried Oreos. So yeah, we're fixing to go home and eat these Oreos and funnel cakes, honey. Signing out. What's up, y'all? Today is Friday, July 16th. I need some things for the house, and I got out early. Look at the mess. I didn't put nothing on. Yes, my hair is still the same. I just been brushing it out and going, honey, because I've been busy behind this camera, okay? Everything that I do within a day, I do not record. I try to record some of the exciting times because me working all the time is not really exciting, but I inserted some clips of me at work. I love my work family. I love those ladies to death. Like, I love them. What y'all saw in the salon, that's like us every single day. I love them. Shout out to Nisha and Tawana. But yeah, we about to go in Walmart and see what we can find for the kitchen. I'm really focused on my kitchen because I love being in the kitchen. I love the kitchen. Y'all gonna figure that out. But I need my kitchen to feel a certain way. Like that's my happy place. You'll notice that I'm focusing on the kitchen more than any other part of the house. Like my room, I'm okay, it's cool. But my kitchen, I need my kitchen to be Y'all, I'm gonna have to come back. I got these strips, but the big one that goes with this is cracked all the way around, real bad. So what I'm gonna do is get these two and come back and see if they have this one later. My child is obsessed with camouflage. Do you hear me? And see, here's the thing. Y'all see this shirt? He had it on for the 4th of July video, right? When he likes something, he's going to wear it over and over again. Bryson has clothes, but he's going to wear this until it turns another color.
I got movies.
Now this one, I will buy. Okay. Can we both agree on this one? We can? Okay. Because y'all, look at this. She wanted this one, and I know y'all probably gonna talk about me, but this is just not giving what it's supposed to give, honey. And then she wanted this one, but she changed her mind to this one. So this one, that is not her size. It's our common ground. I can deal with this one. I like this one actually. Put a jean jacket on top of this with some cute shoes and bows, honey. $1, y'all. $1. Okay, so we came in here to see if Bryson's shoes was in here. I like those, but he probably won't. These shoes right here. But yeah, we just came in here to see can we find some school shoes. I don't know. It's looking a little, I don't know. It's looking a little empty. You like which one? Go down to him and point to him. I didn't pick them. No. Okay. I didn't pick them neither. They didn't have them oranges when I came. You wanna know which ones I picked? I picked you these ones. I picked these ones. Oh, they don't have the other ones. Oh yeah, I picked them down there.
This?
No, below that.
Oh.
And I picked these ones. Oh, you didn't pick nothing I picked, but okay. Do y'all see this Bigfoot boy?
That's a sad moment.
Baby, look, I want you to see this. Y'all see his toes going over that 7?
That's a sad.
Oh no, that line right there below your toe is the 7. You going to a 7.5, boo boo. You almost at an 8. Stop playing. What you just say, Bryson?
I still like Shaq. They look just like Jordan.
I was telling Taylor because she's back there pouting because I told her she's not getting Jordans. But the Jordan that she has on, her nana, which is her dad's mom, bought her those. I don't buy kids Jordans until they get a certain age because they're not gonna take care of them. And I was telling her, Bryson didn't even get Jordans at 7. He was still wearing Shaqs. And Bryson said, I still love Shaqs. They look just like Jordans. I'm telling y'all, we be trying to spend all this money on these kids and they don't even care. Like, he wants some Shaqs. That's why I stay in the clearance aisle, because my child does not really care. I just try to give them like different options, so when they get older they'll know if they like Jordans or not, or if they like Buddies, or if they like Reeboks or New Balance or whatever. But my child, he really does not care at all. I'm so excited. This is my first Instacart. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, I love how she bagged my stuff. Oh, I love it. I love how she bagged my stuff. Oh my gosh, she got everything so organized. Oh man. Okay, so I usually go to pick up at Walmart and let them put the garage, but I didn't feel like it. I just did not feel like going outside today. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see what I look like in a minute, but I didn't feel like going outside. So, yeah, we did Instacart, and I'm excited to organize my refrigerator. I'm super excited. Oh my God. It's the small things for me, honey. Okay, y'all. Now, I know this is a lot, but keep in mind, we just moved. So a lot of this is stuff that we need, like ketchup and mustard and mayo and syrup, pancake mix. You know, they don't leave fast. But we needed a lot of this stuff, you know, cereal and oatmeal. So yeah, so you could just scan through if you want to see what I got. I'm gonna show y'all what my refrigerator looks like so far. And yes, I am a wine drinker, so judge your mammy. So this is what we got going so far. I'm gonna try to keep it like this, but you know, it's probably gonna be a every weekend kind of clean with me situation, because when you are a mama, it gets hectic, honey. And when they start grabbing this stuff out of here, it's not gonna look like this no more. But I'm gonna try to keep this. This is easy. This is easy. Sandwich stuff, that's easy. It's this. And then when I start getting other stuff in here, and then when they come in here and have to fix their own sandwiches and stuff, this is, yeah, this is not gonna look like this. I can just see mayonnaise and ketchup stains. Yeah, it's not gonna stay like this. But, you know, just to keep it looking real good for now, because I got my new refrigerator. Join us for the rest of the night if you want to see what I'm cooking for dinner. Okay, y'all, we about to eat. Bryson over there digging in. Zyra ain't came yet, but we are starving. I was just gonna do a little zoom in of everybody's plate. You know, I was just gonna scan over everybody's food, but we are ready to eat. Talk to you guys later. Stay tuned for tomorrow. What's up, guys? Today is Sunday, July, I don't know. Just closing out the other video. I'm about to cook breakfast for the kids, and yes, it's almost 12 o'clock. We're just getting up. It's Sunday, hey. But I'm about to cook them breakfast. Excuse my voice, because I just got up. But I'm closing out the other video. Breakfast will be on next week's video. I hope you really are enjoying these videos. So much for all the support and all the people that's reaching out. Proud of me for finally doing my YouTube. So yes, thank y'all so much. Talk to y'all later.